Bana masekhaya wothi ngiqale ngokuxolisa kuqala ukuthi ngilibe nyamelele isikhathi eside kodwa uyazi impilo beyingibambile. Asiqale la. Abantu abaningi bayangilwisa bathi ngenza ama-video amaningi amanye amaqembu. Wangayenzi i-video ngeqembu lasesigodlweni. Ngikhuluma ngaso isilwane esimabalabala. Inyoka elihlaza. Usuthu elimabheshankona. Hebe usuthu. Hebe usuthu. AmaZulu Football Club. Mongabazi hlala phansi wothi ngikutshela. Iqembu lamaZulu laqala ngonyaka 1934. Liqala abasebenzi bawo amaZulu ebebesebenza eMine. Igama leqembu kwakuyiZulu Royal Conquerors. Iqembu layo kuyozithula kuNkosi Solomon. Owalithanda waze walishintsha negama walibiza ngayo iZulu Royals esusa yena uConquerors. Wabapha umbala we-blue and white. Umntwana uPrince Bhayisikile waphiwa isikhundla sokuthi anakekele lona iqembu. Wathi makuya isikhathi intambo zathathwa kuyo umntwana uPrince Sithela. Ikhaya leqembu lalisembelembeleni Royal Cross. Umntwana uPrince Sithela wathi umethatha intambo washintsha imibala yayo wayisusa from blue and white to green and white. Wathi ngo-1968 ngelanga kwakuzongcwatshwa ngalo uNkosi Bhekizulu iqembu lalinomdlalo wecup neSappi Home Stars eMandeni. Ngalelo langa iqembu kwakuyilona lalifanele ikhaphi ikhofini yenkosi kodwa instead they honored the game with Sappi Home Stars and bashawa 4-2. That incident yaphula iqembu phakathi. Umntwana uPrince Sithela wayengeneme ngaso isinqumo sali iqembu ukuthi lambe liyodlala lo mdlalo ngalelanga libaluleke kanje njengelanga lokutshala kwayo inkosi. Lokho kwenza inkinga eningi kwaze kwayenza ukuthi baba Gideon Sibiya naye baba Mtuli ukuthi basusa iqembu emabelebeleni balise eWema ngoba phela kwakuyibona bayise iqembu emdlalweni. From that point the team was no longer recognized or associated with royalty. Wathi ngo-1970 kwaqala iboard entsha eyayiphethwe nguye ubaba Mkhize naye ubaba Ralph Mabaso. Bathatha isinqumo sokuthi bayalivusa leqembu bathenga ikit baqasha naye ubaba uBethwel Masondo as team manager. Mabaqeda baregister yona i-team ngegama leZulu Royals United benza yena ubaba uBethwel Masondo i-sole director. Babuyisela iqembu back to emabelebeleni Royal Crown. Ngonyaka 1971 iqembu lathola ithuba lokuthi lingadlala kuyo i-National Professional Soccer League i-NPSL phecelezi ngoba i-African Wanderers yayineyinkinga eziningi ezifana njengokuthi ingafiki emagemini. I-NPSL yafaka isicelo kuyiKwaZulu Natal Football Association ukuthi suspende yona i-African Wanderers. Uma iqeda lapho ibathumele uhlelo lema-club engareplace yona i-African Wanderers. I-KZN FA yabathumela uhlelo lalune-Union Jacks, Durban City All Blacks, Zulu Royals United ne-Young Dribblers. I-NPSL yakhetha yona iZulu Royals United. Nakhona the decision was simple ngoba iqembu lalirepresenta isizwe sakaZulu nakhona linama-connection nasesigodlweni. Ngawo lowo nyaka 1971 badlala baze baphuma ku-position 6 kwi-league and they were voted Club of the Year. Kwathi ngo-1972 bawina their first and last league title nakhona bahlanganise 44 points kwimidlalo eyi-26 bashawe only 2 times. Ngo-1973 iZulu Royals United yaba neyinkinga eziningi nakhona zaqala ekuhambeni kwakhe ubaba uBethwel Masondo ngoba wahamba nendlanzana yabadlali bebadlala iqembu. Lokho kwalilimaza iqembu ngoba laqeda mid-table lihluleka nokuthi livikele isicoco salo se-league. Kwathi ngo-1974 abalandeli beqembu bathatha sona isinqumo sokuthi bathathe zona iy'ntambo bahole lona iqembu. Washintshwa negama leqembu yabizwa AmaZulu Football Club. Enye ingxenye yabalandeli eyayinganeme ngalesi sinqumo esasithathwe yila balandeli yabona kahle ukuthi ithathe i-reserve team bahambe baye eBhekuzulu Hall baqale labo iqembu elalizobizwa yona iZulu Royals United. Bebeholwa uyubaba uFrancis Dlamini. They were nicknamed as coach. Wathi makuyi isikhathi lelo qembu lathengwa uyubaba Manana naye ubaba Nxumalo. Nawo balidayisela ubaba uAmerican Madlala owayephumela Montville. Naye walidayisela ithimba elalinobaba Ngongoma, ubaba Duma, ubaba Mathe, ubaba Dlamini, ubaba Biyela nobaba uNhleko. Kwathi ngo-1985 ekuqaleni kwayo i-NSL which was National Soccer League iqembu la register kwi-league as AmaZulu Football Club liholwa uyubaba uDavid Dlamini. Ngo-1987 babeshisa kancane ngoba badlala baze bafika kuwo ama-final kwayi-Mainstay Cup nayo iwisa spectacular kodwa ngeshwa bashawa on both occasions bashawa yiwo amakhosi. Ngo-1990 badlala baze bafika kuwo ama-final wayo iBob Safe Super Bowl bashawa kodwa ekugcineni nge-last minute goal bashawa yiyo iJomo Cosmos. Wathi 1992 bawina the inaugural Coca-Cola Cup. Wathi ngonyaka 1993 baqeda ileague behleli kuyi-position 3 kodwa emva kwalokho iqembu lashintsha izandla kancane ngoba yena ubaba Dlamini walidayisela iSpar Natal. iSpar Natal yalidayisela ubaba Mncanana. Ubaba Mncanana yena walidayisela ubaba uDan Naidu. Ubaba uDan Naidu yena walidayisela ubaba uMike Siegel naye walidayisela ubaba uDave King. Wathi ngonyaka 2002 iqembu lathengwa uyubaba uSisa Bhekisha walishintsha igama back to Zulu Royals. Ngaleso sikhathi babesedlala ku-National First Division. Kwathi ngo-2005 iqembu lathengwa uyubaba uPatrick Sokhela efuna ukuvusa lona udumo lalo iqembu elikhulu elifana njengamaZulu walishintsha igama back to AmaZulu Football Club. Baqeda lapho wathenga i-status sayo iClub eyayibizwa iDynamos eyayiphuma eLimpopo ukuthi bazodlala kusikhundla sayo kuyo iPremier Soccer League. Bathatha-ke isikhundla sayo iDynamos bacampaigna as AmaZulu Football Club. They were a mid-table team, sometimes bafika lona izembe. Ngonyaka ka-2012 AmaZulu Football Club wayecelebrate 80 years. Ukucelebrate leyo minyaka leyo badlala neManchester United bashawa 1-0. It was a very close game. Kwathi ngonyaka ka-2014-2015 iqembu la-relegatiwa once again. Badlulisa unyaka kwathi kwisizini yaka 2016-2017 ubaba Patrick Sokhela wathenga sona istatus sayo iZulu Royals eyayiwine i-National First Division ngawo loyo nyaka. Babuyela kanjalo kwi-Premier Soccer League. In their first season back, ngayisizini yaka 2017-2018, iqembu laqeda liku-position number 9. Wathi ngesizini yaka 2018-2019, iFIFA yathatha isinqumo sokuthi iPSL ithathele amaZulu ama-points awu-6 ngoba phela bahluleka kufezekisa isinqumo secourt esasithi kufanele babhadale yena uNambali imali yakhe. uNambali kwakuwumdlalo wayedlalela amaZulu, kodwa ekuhambeni kwakhe azange bazwane kahle namaZulu. Kwaphuma isinqumo esiphuma kwi-court esasithi amaZulu fanele ambhadale imali yakhe eyayisele kwi-contract yakhe. Bazama ukusilwisa lesinqumo seFIFA baze bathatha icase yabo bayisa le eSports Court of Arbitration eZurich, kodwa ngebhadi azange bawina, and they had to pay uNambali 1,086,000 rands. Isizini yaka 2019-2020 yayinzima kakhulu, izinto zingabahambeli kahle, nemali ngapha ingekho. Bashintsha abaqeqeshi left and right. Wathi kuphela isizini babehleli ku-position 13, balivikile izembe. Wathi nge-2 zika-October 2020 iqembu lathengwa wuye usomabhizinisi nomthandi webhola. Khuluma ngobani mangakhulumi ngayo? Unyama kayishi, Gwabini, ubaba uSandile Zungu. UGwabini washintsha okuningi eqembini, waze waqasha naye uBenny McCarthy ukuthi abe umqeqeshi weqembu. Waphinde futhi wathenga abadlali abaningi abaseqophelweni eliphezulu. Ngayo leyo season ka-2020-2021 badlala baze bafika kwi-position 2 kwi-league, baze bathola nethuba lokuthi bangaye bayodlala kwi-CAF Champions League. Kwisizini yaka 2021-2022 they finished baku-position 7. Nakhona lokho kwayenza ukuthi ucoshwe yena umqeqeshi uBenny McCarthy. Wathi kwisizini yaka 2022-2023 baqeda bakuyi-position 12. Nakhona balivikile izembe. Wathi ngesizini yaka 2023-2024 they narrowly missed out with top 8 finish just by 1 point. Although AmaZulu Football Club may be seen as a mid-table team, but it is one of the oldest teams in our league and carries a lot of history. Sibonga everyone owafaka isandla ekwakheni this big institute. Siyabonga. Thank you for your legacy. Isilwane esimabalabala, inyoka elihlaza, usuthu olumabhesha nkona. Hebe usuthu, hebe usuthu. AmaZulu Football Club.